Well, listen, good morning. Walk to Cure Arthritis, New York City rock stars. Just wanted to welcome all of you here today. It's the biggest gathering of arthritis warriors in New York.
I'm Nancy Sorbella. I'm the Community Engagement Director for the Arthritis Foundation of New York. Traditional pepper mills are really hard to operate for people with arthritis. They have trouble with their finger joints and their wrists. FinaMill solves this problem because it's a one-touch, easy-to-use, light and simple process to change out pods and be able to use all the spices that you like to have in your cooking at your fingertips without affecting your joints.
These are great. I mean, I love these actually. So they work like this. I press it down, and then I just change. And then I just go like this. I love this.
We're excited to have so many great sponsors with us today as well. One of the missions of the Arthritis Foundation is to help to improve quality of life for our patients. And one way we do that is finding products that help improve their life so that they can live the yes life that they want to live. And we're so excited to have FinaMill as a sponsor here today, showing a product that can help change patients' lives and make it easier for them to live with their various forms of arthritis.
You guys ready to walk?
3, 2, 1.